I'm so glad my kids know what it is to ask their father for things. Yeah, their fathers aren't perfect, but at least they're not afraid. They're not being held back from them. They're not. Y'all can't ever say like, oh, no one can say this. She one of them girls that never let her they daddies go around them. They can never say that, because that's what I've always wanted. I've always wanted to be around both parents. I just never got that luxury. So me giving people a luxury I never had. You know what I mean? It's a lot because people don't understand. Because y'all went in my house. Y'all don't know what people go through. Watch your mouth, because it's going to come back to you. I did before. I judge people. Then that boulder came back, smacked me in my freaking eyeball. But y'all finna judge your mom and them, not me. Y'all never help. People who don't help you can't judge you. Y'all ain't never tried to pick up the phone to call me and see what I needed. Huh? Which church? Which congregation? Okay. What love? That's why you gotta leave. Like, when you know there's no love in a place, you don't feel safe. Why are you there? Why are you putting your kids at risk? I'm not putting my kids at risk. Yeah, they're with a parent that we didn't connect, but that's still their dang parent. Y'all gotta give these kids back to their dang parents. Y'all put the freaking seed in the garden. And I'm supposed to take care of these kids 24/7. 30 hours a day. Feels like it's 30 hours. Sick, not sick. I gotta work 2 jobs, baby. You got me effed all the way up. It got me messed up. The US sucks. How in the heck am I gonna take care of my kids that people gave me when they told me they wanted to be with me? Then they dipped, jetted off millions of miles away. And then y'all get mad when I drop these kids off after I raised them for 10 years alone. Who are y'all? Y'all did not give no fucks. Y'all did not give no. Right. Pot calling the kettle black. Just because you had your daddy, you know. Just because you had stuff. Were you there? I wish you were. I wish we could have been friends. Y'all can judge. But it's coming back, boo.